So hey, are you looking for a high quality video light that does it all? Well, this Ivisii G2 might be perfect for you. And you won't believe what this company is going to do, but I can't tell you right now. You have to wait till a little bit later in the video, but it's really exciting. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review. Inside the box comes with a lot. You get the light, a travel pouch, cold shoe adapter, charging cables, and a nice desktop tripod. Before we turn the light on, let me just say one thing that makes this one stand out above the others is the adjustable arm. It's really high quality, and you can easily spin it or contort it to fit your needs. It also has 2 screw threads for mounting and 2 cold shoes for extra accessories. It has an easy on-off switch to power it up, controls for brightness and screen navigation, and you can also push them to double as selectors. It has an OLED screen and a big 32 watt-hour battery, which will last a long time depending on your brightness levels. You have your basic light functions with brightness control and temperature controls, and I also like how you can adjust it by percentage sections to get what you need a lot faster, and then you can also fine-tune it with the control. In RGB mode, this is where you can select any color on the spectrum, as well as adjust the saturation level. It has 9 effect presets like SOS, lightning, TV screen, emergency vehicles, and RGB slow fade and fast fade, which can be very useful for a nice color-changing background. Overall, it's pretty simple, but it also gives you everything you need to have good lighting as a diffused key light or background effect lighting. And hey, you can find a link to it down in the description or the more info section, as well as a surprise link. So here's the exciting part. Ivisii wants to reward you who got to this part of the video first. So the first 3 people that buy this will get a full refund. That's awesome, right? And honestly, you never know. This video might be out for a little bit. People might not be sure if it's gonna work or not. You still could be the 3rd person. But if you're worried that you're gonna be the 4th person, you can always put in my coupon code Danny10 to save some money. But like I said, this is a really nice and high quality light. And if you are in the market for one of these, you would be happy with this decision. But thanks so much for joining me on another short, not short product review, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.